Makers Loft is Calcutta's first makerspace. Makerspace is, as the name suggests, it's a space where you come and make things. So how do you make these things? So our space provides you tools and equipment. So we've got things like 3D printer, laser cutter, new age digital fabrication tools. Plus we've got electronics, we've got hand tools and power tools that you can learn how to make things. And we teach you how to use these tools first, and then you can use the tools and you can make things either by yourself or in collaboration with other people. As for the maker movement, it's a big revolution that is happening in the world right now. It kind of started off in US, and now it's spread all over the world. There are more than 15,000 maker spaces, not just in US, in Europe, in Asia. In India there are more than 15 maker spaces, at least I can count many of them on my fingers right away. And we are the first maker space in all of Eastern India and the first one in Calcutta as well. The tools of production, which were largely belonging to industry, have become more democratized now. So more people have access to means of production because of digital fabrication technologies like 3D printing and so forth. We are finding that the workforce is not really equipped as students are graduating, whether it's from engineering school or art, design schools, but there is this gap between what is needed for employment and what is coming out, and that's also because the essential skills are somehow being missed out in this whole theoretical model and very silo-based model of education. So what maker education is doing is it's kind of turning things around, flipping the learning model, moving to an interdisciplinary learning model by hands-on doing. And I would say in India, I mean, could not have been a better time for the maker movement. With the Make in India thing, Skills India, it's almost like the sun, moon and stars are aligning for the maker movement to happen right now. And I'm personally very, very thrilled about it, and I'm excited to be a part of it.